you and everything you stand for. I hate you. I can't think of a hook right now. This right here is an HB Compact Elite 8100 convertible mini tower. Someone gave it away for free. It has 4GB of RAM, an Intel Core i5 650. It's not very great, but we're gonna upgrade, and I'm gonna show you with what. We're gonna upgrade this PC with this graphics card. It's an Asus Radeon R7240. It is decent. It's not great, but someone just gave it away for free. My father was once taking a walk. Someone was giving it away for free. I can't prove it, unfortunately. You're just gonna have to trust me with this, but it's not really hard to believe that this graphics card was free. We're gonna upgrade it with this. The PC has just 4GB of RAM. Not enough. Fortunately, I have this other PC lying around, which I also have gotten for free 5 years ago, I think. And I'm gonna put the 4GB of this PC into this one, which I've already done. This one already has 8GB of RAM. It has no HDD, but that problem is also solved. I have this HDD lying around. It is from a broken PS4 I had gotten, I think, 3 years ago. There were 2 PS4s which I had gotten for 55 euros. I sold one of them for 70, so this was also for free. Everything is for free. Everything will stay for free. Let's get into it. Look at the beautiful inside of this PC. I'm a PC doctor healing you, baby. Now we're gonna insert the graphics card. The RAM sticks are already inserted. There's a free spot specifically for this GPU port here. I'm gonna have to open this up. Why is this so tedious? Oh, okay. The GPU is penetrating the mainboard. We're done here. Wait, what is this? I didn't even realize that I removed this. I don't know what this port is, to be honest. Comment below if you know what this is. Onto the Windows installation now. Okay, with Rufus, we're gonna put Tiny 10 directly into the hard drive. There's a neat little trick by choosing Windows to go fuck yourself. Instead of standard Windows installation, you can put Windows directly on the hard drive, and that saves a lot of time actually. Then you can put the hard drive directly into the PC. It's a neat little trick I wanted to show you. This one's on the house in case you didn't know. Anyway, onto the PC now. Now we're gonna put the hard drive into the PC. I said hard, that's funny. Kind of difficult when I have to hold the phone. Oh yeah, I have a tripod. Why use Logic? That was loud. Hey Lois, I put the hard drive into the PC. Peter, stop jerking off, Peter. Everything's ready. Now we're gonna launch the PC. Oh, and I know you were asking. I'm gonna use this laptop as the monitor because I don't have a monitor that has an HDMI port. Isn't life just great? We're gonna use OBS Studio for that. And look, here's my last video. Go check it out. It took a lot of effort. Okay, let's turn it on. Why is it not turning on? I'm an idiot. Where's the power cable? Eh? I'm so dumb. Okay. Let's turn. It turned on itself. Sure, why not? Turn OBS on. The PC is woke. Why does it not display anything? Let's turn it on and off again. It turns on itself. I'm out of breath just turning a PC on. What about now? PC still woke. The PC just beeped. It's always a good sign. I inserted the graphics card properly. I inserted the hard drive properly. Why don't you just work? Why don't you just launch? Oh yeah, this. Hey SpongeBob, what is your biggest dream?
Patrick, my biggest dream, waiting for an old junk PC to turn on for 10 hours and it not turning on.
My biggest dream is eating ice cream.
Lois, this is worse than the last time I was at the leftist convention. Peter, what the f is a leftist convention?
F you, PC. Stop beeping all this time. I just put the GPU out and back in. Just work. Fuck! Yeah, just turn on by yourself. I hate you. I hate you.
Hey Lois, Peter, shut the fuck up, Lois.
But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can't be seen? Baby, fuck this. Fuck this. This PC just doesn't want to work. Fuck you and everything you stand for. I hate you. I hate you. I just had to change the resolution. Oops, PC is actually booting now. I feel like this is gonna take a while. It's checking for every single megabyte of RAM. I'm a patient guy, as you have noticed before. Instead of pressing on the keyboard, which is connected to the PC, I pressed on a keyboard from this laptop, thinking that I could save the changes, as you can see here. Yeah, all of this here is an insight into my genius. You're welcome. If this message persists, you may need to replace the onboard battery. I am not gonna do that, because that would mean that I'd have to buy new batteries, which would cost money. Everything today is gonna be free. This again. Exactly what I've been waiting for. Not Windows. Yeah! It's probably gonna take a while. You are not gonna break me. Yeah, that's what I've been doing for a while now. Finally, you've been defeated. Set some things up already. Dolphin is installed, as you can see. There's Cody because I'm doing totally legal stuff. I'll be back when drivers are set up, when I've installed all the games. Then we'll do the benchmarks. First game I want to try out is Super Mario Bros. Wii on Dolphin emulator. Honestly, pretty optimistic. I think this will run pretty well.
I don't think that this comes as a surprise. Super Mario Bros. Wii with the Dolphin emulator runs very smoothly at an almost constant 60 FPS. To be fair, the almost constant 60 FPS is quite surprising, but overall I don't consider this to be a surprise, but still nice to see that it runs this smoothly. What comes as a surprise is that this PC is actually capable of running Switch games, and as you can see, also quite smoothly. Mario 3D World runs surprisingly smoothly. I mean, I never would have expected it to run at all, and it actually runs at an almost constant 60 FPS too. I have scaled down the resolution a bit because otherwise the performance suffered a bit, but this is still playable. I mean, I could complete the game that way. I won't because I have other methods, but you get the point. But Super Mario Odyssey just wouldn't launch at all. Mario Odyssey is way more demanding, but at least we now know where the limits are.
A suspicion of mine, which I've had since I picked up this HDD, is that this HDD is just straight up failing. And I think I've been right, because can't click on anything. It's fucked. This thing is fucked, Mike. This is bollocks. I guess I'm gonna try to restart the PC and see if it works. Off you go, you piece of crap. Let's try again. What about now? Okay, my suspicions have been correct. This thing has been circling for a long time. Fuck it, we need a different hard drive. I'd love to use an SSD, but I just don't have one lying around. I'd have to buy an SSD, then it would not be free. I'll look around and see if I can find a different one. Inside this Dell PC is an HDD, a big chunky boy. Problem is, it has Windows 7 on it. I used to use this PC with Windows 7 on it. Other than this one, I don't have any other HDD that works. I have some, but they just don't work. So what I could do is partition this one. I could split it 500 gigabytes for Windows 7, the other 500 for Windows 10 on this PC right here. We're gonna benchmark far more games. I think I'm gonna have to do that on a separate video because setting up the games and all of that takes so much time. I want to get this video out on time, so I hope you guys can forgive me.
No, overall I'd say that this PC already has proven itself to be quite capable, but just 2 games benchmark, not enough. In the next video, I'm gonna use the aforementioned HDD. I'm gonna benchmark more games, and I'm gonna upgrade this PC even more with a slightly stronger GPU. So yeah, that's a wrap for today. This was really a lot of fun. I did things a little differently today. Commented everything or almost everything live instead of doing a voiceover all the way through. Comment below if you enjoyed it. If you liked it, like and subscribe. If not, that's okay. Thanks for watching.